Hello everybody, thanks for joining me for this short video presentation of the Catworkx Scaling Agile Blueprint. My name is Michael Lühr. I'm a so-called licensed certified professional for Jira and Confluence and also a SAFe Program Consultants 5.0. And now, what is the Agile Scaling Blueprint? The Scaling Agile Blueprint is a combination of the base products Jira Software and Confluence, the marketplace apps called Easy Agile Programs and Structure, some Catworkx apps like ISSUETYPE or Confluence Page Viewer. The product contains also a workshop package called Smart Start for implementation and customizing the tools, training the different team roles of SAFe implementation, and supporting the first important steps like the first PI planning. We offer the Smart Start packages in two versions, the program package and the strategy package. With the programs package, we cover the requirements of the team, the program and portfolio level to implement all important elements of a portfolio configuration of SAFe. Based on the programs package, the strategy Smart Start package also implement the strategy level with the strategic themes and the portfolio vision to support the usage of objectives and key results. To map the different information types, we use a minimum of 4 projects and a variety of issue types. On the team level, we have several team projects to cover the stories and issues for the dev team. We use one program and Agile Release Train project, a portfolio project, and a strategy project. To translate the different definitions of issue types in Jira in the SAFe framework, we have defined some new types like dependencies and PIs, and we use the existing types in Jira in a conversion to the SAFe framework. These are stories for the team level, PI and dependencies to show the work packages and the interdependencies between teams, epics called features in SAFe, initiatives called epics in SAFe, and themes on the strategy level. On this slide, you can see the relations between the different issue types. Different stories belong to an epic, but can also be linked together via a dependency with different link types. PIs are defined via a fixed version, which is an entity of an epic. Different epics are linked to an initiative, which has a relation to a strategic theme. With this data model, we can cover the different requirements and data sites for developers, program and portfolio managers, release train engineers, and the management. In Germany, we say, all theory is gray. Please let me give you an insight in the solution via some examples. A big thing in an agile transformation is to explain to the people why they do something. The knowledge of the background of a specific task will enable people to do the right thing for the specific case. For this, the blueprint will show a brief information of the higher level of the story with an inheritance. You can see the summary of an epic, the initiative, and the theme. This SAFe context gives you the answer to the question why I am doing this specific task. A common approach in SAFe for prioritization is the usage of the weighted shortest job first, WSJF. The formula to calculate a factor you can see on the slide. The most important difference to the prioritization approach via story points and rank in Jira is the understanding in SAFe to prioritize the task with a factor of the cost of delay and the job duration. All needed calculations will be done from some entities by the blueprint automatically. This will pay on the first SAFe principle, take an economic view. A great feature in Jira is the usage of dashboards. So we can define dashboards for the different level and the different roles. As an example, you can see on the slide a program dashboard. We have also dashboards for the team, the portfolio, and the strategy level. Heat maps and pivot charts, diagrams and tables are also possible as aggregated issue navigators, and all components are interactive and drillable. The blueprint provides a set of predefined dashboards, but you can also copy and/or change them, for example in common, in addition, or for specific roles. An important feature of the blueprint is the modeling of dependencies. You can define dependencies as a contract for the collaboration between teams. The administration of dependencies after PI planning is very complex and may be expensive. In the case of blocking the results from one team because of the missing delivery of another team. The blueprint will check automatically the dependency regarding the timeline or the needed results and gives you an overview of the status to elaborate missing commitments in forefront of an escalation. A dependency has its own workflow to show the status in different boards or masks to align the different work streams. The definition of an initiative is a complex process done by the epic owner and the different teams. In the blueprint, the initiative will be created in Jira and then automatically published to a Confluence page with the gathered information from Jira to describe the details and the lean business case. The recorded details can be shown in Jira as an excerpt from Confluence every time. This is to ensure the single source of truth and to avoid data management in two places. In this case, we use the best of the two worlds: collaborative information engineering in Confluence and structured data processing in Jira. A hot topic in a lot of enterprises is the definition and the implementation of objectives and key results, OKR. No problem for the safe blueprint. Defined as an own issue type, different key results can be defined in an objective and administered with its own workflow. With the integration features of Confluence for Jira issues, status pages can be shown for a quick and easy overview to the management and stakeholders in an aggregated way. The automatic update with every page view ensure the up-to-date self-service function for the management without manual work. And now, the best of all, the price of this package. As mentioned at the beginning, the blueprint contains different modules and variances. First of all, you need an existing Jira and a Confluence instance. You have surely one. If not, we can also provide the base products. Second, you need some more apps from the marketplace. We have bundled the regarding apps to examples for the pricing you can see on the slides. Maybe you own Structure or Easy Agile. In this case, the package price goes down. Some of the Catworkx apps are not listed on the marketplace. These ones will be implemented directly in the blueprint. The third component is the service package, the basis package for implementation of the teams and program level, and an addition package for the strategy level implementation. Both packages persist of an implementation and configuration part, some training sessions for the different roles, and the rollout support for the first steps. We will provide the packages with a fixed price to give you a better foundation for calculating the project. The minimal setup for 5 dev teams, the needed app licenses, and all consulting work will be summed up to slightly more than 20,000 euros without Jira and Confluence. With this price, you are able to cover the most processes in a safe implementation with an integrated tool landscape. We think this is a very fair price for a big step in the digital agile transformation. At this point, I'd like to say thank you very much for your attention. If there are any questions, if you would like to get more information about the blueprint, do not hesitate to contact me directly via my email michaellühr@catworkx.com or give me a call via the telephone number, mail addresses on the slides. have a good time and stay healthy.